He's going to kill me. Please, calm down. What is happening? Just hide me. Why? He's going to kill me. Please, he's going to kill you. Watch it. Why? Why is he going to kill you? I accidentally burnt his farm. Oh, and he's going to kill me. Look, please calm down and tell me exactly what happened. Huh? What happened? We can talk here. Please. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Kwame, are you coming from Kofi's here this place?
Yes. He couldn't help. He refused to dig up the gold. Imagine.
You're so a Jimmy. You shouldn't have gone there in the first place. Should anything happen to the gold now, you will be the prime suspect. We should have gone straight to search for the gold. You also a sword.
Oh, ah.
Yes, we original. You say anything. Kasai. Anything. Sorry.
Kwame, I say we chia opoku. Ne boache no bae na wahye no wafum ho. Uchiaka. Jo. We koma wa mo ha nyina. Jo. Mususoja e wo nwura mu keke no. Ense so bi mu se wahye obi no bae a obetua nipa kon ne ka. Jo. Asanya patano patesika. Poku one boache. Mpese mo amode emra e be hye mo nsam akokwa amenti fie akoye ne yemfata. Jo. Ubusa amra no so a. Ene mu bedi ne se de amra se. Jo. Manu esi.
Jo. Penifo sene di krosie no.
That's a rat. Ana, that's a piano.
What me thing?
Kop Maya, tina say.
Come on, free no tune. Wo you free. Ne tuna na e be pam. Wo nana kasa kra de we sa ma menti full stop. What me thing? Nana se ubetia. Wo wanum na yo den out sink of phone. Frashi wabodi se no na se me eduko promaya usi mafua me meti wote woni kusi wana wade se so boy no. After some brams.
Heko.
Opa press my brother no boy. Nana me dress. Wo be kan. Wo nim se de akwala do so go.
Ne ho ne na ka de.
On kwen na. We are going
Don't worry. Let's go home and let me find you something to eat. Look, I have a plan that is going to take us out of this trouble. And you know, I am coming to for be man and you show na.
Damn it, that would know.
Kwame, considering all the problems confronting us, don't you think it's time for us to do something about it?
Something like what?
Think. Look at how your best friend is treating you when you are in trouble. It's time you do something meaningful in your life. Otherwise, it will be too late for us. Reflect on all the good things this pot of gold can bring to us. Do you have to sit back for him to prosper so you can go begging him for something to eat?
Kusiwa, he will know if we go to remove the gold from its hiding place. Do you know that I'm the only person in this whole village who knows something about the gold?
Look,
I will be the #1 suspect.
if you cut off the head of a snake, the rest is just rope. For us to enjoy the money to the full, we have to eliminate Ufiesedu.
I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Don't be. Think about it. I can arrange for it to be done without any suspicion.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Don't you trust me? Have I ever failed you?
Oh, no.
I can do everything. Just think about it.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Oh. Please, wash your hands.
Let me see. What do we have there? Nice fufu. Oh. Right. Amen.
Amen. Hey, Brago. As for your soup, it's always superb.
Thank you, Kwame.
You know what? I am naming this child after my uncle. And the next one will be named after you.
What about me, who is carrying this heavy load for 9 good months?
Oh, Brago. You don't have to worry. You will get the third one, okay? And we shall call her, let me think. Later.
Kofi. I want to leave.
Oh, so soon?
You see, I have to reserve half of my stomach for Kusiwa.
Oh, Kwame. All right.
Okay.
All right. Then if you go, send my greetings to Kusiwa for me, okay?
Kwame, bye-bye.
Oh, Kwame. Oh, the food is superb. Brago,
What is it?
my stomach, it's like...
Why? If you are satisfied, stop eating.
Brago. Oh my God, my stomach is...
What is it? Do you need more water or something? Are you okay?
No! Hey! Brago!
Coffee?
No!
What is it?
My stomach! Hey!
Oh God! Somebody help me! Coffee! Coffee! Somebody help!
Brago!
Somebody help! 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 Oh God! Somebody help! Oh, Coffee! Coffee! Oh my... Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Help! Oh, Maria, my brother. I feel Maria, my brother. Let me see your ribomia. I don't come on never shame you. Let me see some to me. I don't come on never shame you. Let me see a one book of me. I don't come on never shame you. I feel Maria, my brother. I feel Maria, my brother. I feel Maria, my brother. I feel Maria, Janka, Maria, my brother. Maria, my brother. Maria, my brother. Let me see how come with me. I don't come and never show me why. Me see how someone to me. I don't come and never show me.
Kusiwa. Ah. Yani ohia ya kase.
Eni.
Oh. For once in a lifetime, I can feel as a man. Oh, money. Why have you eluded me for such a long time? Kusiwa, I'm even confused.
Yeah.
I don't know how to spend this money. So much money. I don't know.
I know maybe they worry.
Oh.
Mami.
Yes.
Don't worry. Look, spending money is not as difficult as getting it. The first thing we have to do is to get out of this hole and find somewhere better to live.
Oh.
The rest will follow.
You are very, very right. You are right.
Kumbe yoda. Eni ubutum. Kumbe yoda. Eni ubutum. Kumbe yoda. Eni ubutum. Kumbe yoda. Eni ubutum. Kumbe yoda.
Watch it. Kwaminti is not the Kwaminti we all know. He has become suddenly rich.
Oboku, I can't simply understand what is going on. If what I'm hearing is true, why has he refused to pay our money?
You know, we must rush on him for our money.
Yes.
Let's go.
Go for the neighbor.
Hey, Kwame. Fancy come on. Now what's your phone? Now if you say on Tiakana.
Fancy come on. I said that better yo. Kwaminti.
I do hear
Hey, Kwanutum. Kwanutum.
Musikano. Me the be mamo.
What be my family and uncle?
By the way, do you care for some drinks?
Sure, Yamahasia Benum san. Don't waste that time. Yabaji is Sikawan.
Why the better one?
Tiameti Hanon. Meniaha.
Shampasha be Osaka.
Kwaminti.
When you have so be called the Mako Scaba.
Why may I have want it? Kwaminti. Can it be your what?
So be rat them hopan, Mako first can I bring them.
So be rat them ha. And you only have some Mako first cabre. Would this share?
By the way, you have this. I told you, move up to you.
Okay, Kwame. And you continue chile why?
A china, umra, meji musica. By 10.
Come in here, cool. At your cool.
Yeah, show me tickle.
In fact, we hear a fool. This calcamo here. Say, see a fool.
No, but free and son.
Now, dear Mia, Tajua. Mamma sending me away.
No, one minute. No, 1 minute. Sigora. No one, ring. No, be a blow. Sigora, no. No, not 1 minute.
No, watch it. What I say?
No.
To Kabi.
No, one moment secretary. No, not one.
No,
Mobanum day.
Whatever. You press spirits.
Tell me the other number.
Spirits.
Full bottle.
No, not 1 minute. One man. St. Classes and bottles. Yes.
No.
No.
Anyway.
Oh, come.
Or therefore.
Oh, come.
No.
Sikara. Me put them when I sample mine.
This man is very rich.
Hey, no. Oh, come.
And I was Sika Fatal. And I won't fit. That's the bread. To Chabi.
No. Mr. Moon, that's some man.
Won't fit for. No. Yeah,
No, woman. Will it be? Make up from my moon, some brim. My first I won't set up. What's it? Minam Yako from my Minam Yako from my one is some number testing son, won't him stop on print. One of young worship. Not toy. From not toy. And ready, now what's got? What's got? Be share here. Come to me, Mamma, some prime. Me, make a swimming money, some prime. What is wrong with him? Why is he running like a mad cow?
If what is chasing him doesn't stop, how would you rest?
We all live in this village. You see, me force to turn it there. How come all of a sudden
very soon
you start dishing out money like
Nansenya.
you pluck from trees? You see, you're watching. Me Kopromaya. At some way, you bury him.
Where do you bury him?
You bury him.
You bury him.
Me say Kopromaya, you bury him.
Bury him. Nansenya.
Tomo.
How do you book on?
And some. You see me Kopromaya, bury him.
You bury him.
Oh,
anyway, one. Bury him.
You see me rich man.
You see a bury him. That's somewhere proud. You better think can't.
Sister Ata, thank you very much for saving me that night. And for taking good care of me and my baby.
Don't worry.
God
Me too, I'm here. Get in. Papa mutu nje kwa. Menya shi He's going to be a great man. Hey. Konto. And then him.
Kusiwa, good afternoon. Oh. Kusiwa, I'm greeting you.
Oh, Brago. You've come for the money, eh?
Yes.
Okay. How is Kunto?
He's fine.
Funny! Look, how many times have I told you not to give her money? Look, if you know what's good for you, leave. Leave!
Kusua, what on earth are you doing this for? Brago, let me see you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't mind.
Kwaminti, if you are a man, you move an inch. Move an inch and you see what you don't want to see. Abing befakodi. Oh. Brana befakodi.
Kusiwa.
Don't worry. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Abing brana befakodi. Brana befakodi.
Me pacho Kunto yarewa. Me here skadena ko hospital. Me pacho.
Kwaminti bano Kunto. Kunto kwaminti bano. Kwaminti bano. Ko wukunu naso. Na ko feska.
Oh, Kusiwa.
Yeah.
Mo. Say what?
Honestly, I'm sorry. What's up, man?
What is it?
I don't know. It's just a bad dream.
But why these marks?
I don't know. Probably I got it when I fell.
Hasn't been.
Just please. Solve this.
Hey, Kwame.
Brago. How is the baby?
We are doing fine. Sit down.
Brago, why have you stopped visiting us? You see, your husband and I were like brothers. So if he is not there, I will have to make sure that you lack nothing.
By the grace of God, things are getting on well.
Usiwa should have been here to offer some help, but she is also so full. Her time is long overdue, and we are getting worried.
It's going to be alright. Sometimes it does happen. Okay.
Here's the baby. Well, I must be leaving.
Oh.
Something to offset some of the hardship.
Oh. Thank you. But isn't it too much?
Oh. You see, it is my responsibility to make sure that you lack nothing. Keep it.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kwame. I've been pregnant for 30 months now. I think there's something wrong somewhere.
Yes. There is something wrong somewhere. Ever since I dug out the gold, things have never gone right. I can't even close my eyes without being beaten.
We have to visit the Okonfo for some explanation and protection.
Look, if it is the gold, we must return it for our peace of mind. Huh?
Are you mad? Can't you see how influential we've become in this village?
Oh.
You've been given titles, deserved for rulers.
Titles that would deprive us of our peace of mind. What are titles? Huh?
Don't worry. I don't know. Everything will be fine when we visit the Okonfo.
My son, you have stolen somebody's property. And the spirit behind the property will continue to hunt you down until you die. Or return the property to the owner.
Nana, we want to keep the properties. Can't you do anything about it?
There is nothing Nana cannot do. Bring these items, and Nana will take the curse away from you, and your wife will deliver. A white calico, the blood of an antelope, 7 eggs of a dove, 14 cowries, and my fee that will be after the job has been done.
Thank you very much. We shall bring them immediately.
Surely do. You may go in my peace. Go. Go.
Congratulations! That baby girl.
God! Thank you, God! Oh! Thank you! God! Oh!
could have dug the gold. From all indications, it was dug recently. Nobody knew the gold was there. So who could it be? It was only Esidu and I who knew the gold was there. Who might have stolen the gold? Papa told just the two of us. I know very well I've not talked to anyone about it. Oh, is it possible Kofi confided in somebody while he was alive? Oh, Kofi. I hope you are resting in peace. This sudden affluence of community doesn't make sense. Does it?
I must talk to Kwaminti. He must show me the source of his money. Kwaminti! Kwaminti!
How are you?
I'm not here for how are you.
Oh. Any problem?
I'm here to find out why you betrayed a friend who was ready to do everything for you, including putting his life online for you.
Oh.
Kwaminti, tell me, if you can't provide for your in-law, do you have to steal from him? Tell me, do you have to steal from him?
No.
Why did you steal the gold? Tell me why you killed my husband and stole the gold.
Please, calm down. What are you talking about? Please, don't be hysterical. I'm completely...
Oh, shut up! I'm going to do my own consultations, so you wait. Be ready for me. Prepare for a real battle, because I'm going to give you one. And I will never rest until justice is done. Idiot!
Jemfua. Bruh. From here, Mama, why?
That's you.
Grandpa, you're so friend.
Sit down. Kusiwa, I'm still being haunted by what we discussed.
So what do you want to do now?
I'm still thinking.
The solution is just one.
What could it be? For us to return the rest of the gold to her?
You are a fool. You give the gold to her. And it is acceptance you stole the gold and killed her husband. And you know what that means.
Oh, you are making me more confused. I'm frightened. I don't know what to do.
As I said, the solution is just one. You've done it before, and you can do it again.
For God's sake, I don't want to kill again, okay? I can't. At least not a nursing mother. What will happen to the baby?
When you are thirsty, you don't look at the size of the stream before you drink from it. We can even adopt the baby as good friends that we are.
I can't do it. Please, don't make me do it.
Kwaminti, Because such a way yet.
Huh?
Can't see me at your house.
What do you want here?
Oh. Bravo. Is that how to welcome me? Anyway, how are you and the baby?
Kwaminti, get out of my house. I don't want to see or talk to you. Get out of my house.
Oh. Brago, please be patient. Huh? Anyway, I brought you this. Some money. Oh, Brago, take them. Hmm? You see, they are all for you. Hmm? Some money, please. Take them. Hmm? They are all for you. Hmm? You see, your husband and I were more than friends. Brago, please, please, don't tell anybody about the missing gold. Look, I will make sure I provide all your needs. Please, I beg you.
Thank you very much. So you stole the gold. And now you want to bribe me with this?
Please, beg you.
Kofi would have given you half of it if you should have asked him. Now look at you, shaking like a wet chicken.
Please, I beg you.
This is the evidence I need. And I will inform Odiko and his elders first thing tomorrow morning. Bravo. So be ready.
Please. See, I brought all this thing for. Please.
Oh, shut your dirty mouth! Please. And get out of my house, you bastard! Get out of my house!
Please.
Get out! Get out of my house! Get out! Get out, bastard! Get out of my house! Bastard!
See what? And she has threatened to report me to the Odiko and the elders first thing tomorrow morning.
Kwame, are you going to sit down with your hands in between your thighs like a stupid idiot? Doing nothing to affect the doom that hangs over our head? My God, when at all are you going to grow up?
So Kusiwa, what do you want me to do now?
She must go. She must die before she whispers a word to somebody.
But how?
But how? But how? Yani man how? Just what I see me and Mama for watching you be beada. The beard is a woman I'm watching. Who's over some for focus with him?
One customer, Jimmy.
You leave everything to me. I know how to handle her.
Are you sure?
Oh, Ata, thank God you are here. I'm going to Dako to inform my uncle to accompany me to Odikro tomorrow morning. I want you to take care of Konto for me.
Hey, Bravo, why this late? Huh? Why don't you wait and make it early tomorrow morning?
I have to see him this night.
And why didn't you make it this afternoon?
There was nobody to take care of Konto, please. And it is very important. I'll be back very soon, please.
Okay.
Abdiasa. Oh, Dako dear me tie call and you may be uncle for time I'm crying so why? Okay. Never see ya. Why?
Be careful.
Okay.
To run off the day's activities, I have this important announcement to make. This family that has just perished happens to be my family. Because Kofi Asiedu was more than a brother to me. He and his wife were so good to me. So, if they are not there today, moral dictate that I take care or I adopt this child. So I want to officially announce that from today onwards, Kunto is my child. I'll take care of him all his life.
Commenting and concession now can. You fuck what I'm marshal say. Minim set one now, brow. No, catch you. Minimum. Come of fair said, me ring. A crown, you've never to me. Started by ya, or very responsible. Mimi say, Shazam make a son, you know, the Nimaya said, Broken or Hemi. What so said the old thing I'm some. Did you show me? Committee, over bread. It's all Hemi. Why? Or free from the support, and they say Acolano, get a number to me. And what's that some? Maya, Yanko, say ya now, obey you. Say ya now, obey you. What's the bias? What's it? What's it? Where's our person? Just what I mean.
you see I'm playing here?
Can't you see I'm also sweeping?
What's wrong with you? You stupid ass.
You're the one who should be doing this sweeping, but you're sitting and playing with your dog, and you're calling me a stupid ass. What the way you talk to me, you lazy girl?
How dare you talk to me like that?
You slapped me.
Hey, you want to kill my daughter for me, eh? Bastard! I saw I'm going to kill you first. Big boy. You're going to go hungry in this house.
Kuziwa, I don't like the way you treat this boy. You pounce on him at the least provocation. Hey, he's also a human being, huh? You should rather watch the way you bring up this girl.
Okay, and first time I'm so quiet. Look,
don't let me lay my hands on you. You understand? Don't let me lay my hands on you.
And you're sure.
So let's go.
What the monk? Mafia told me. Monk, stop crying. Stop crying. Konto, make sure you clean all these utensils before you go to bed. Do you hear me? Yeah? Anaya. So I will send me on Koda. I do
To deserve all these treatments. Won't I deserve the love that every child of my age enjoys? Oh Lord, even if I have offended you, please God forgive me. And let this woman love me just a little. There is no single day I don't shed tears. Oh Lord, help me.
I always say this boy is a wizard. How did he do it? How did he clean this utensil so quick and so well? Hey, hey! Come on, wake up, wake up! Pay for a call. Sorry! Hey! How did you clean these utensils so well and so quick? Huh? Well, we are being fooled. Smack at yourself. We are being fooled. Hey, man, I know whom we yes, sir. No one said, but that I want to at Yachi. Pay Fakula. Me, nephew. Pay Fakula. Pay Fakula. Pay Fakula. Me, nephew. Can't that find out a dama? Yachi, that man, pay for. Anaya. Anaya.
Yes, mommy.
Rending now, what's it? Contour. Contour. So
Yeah, how have you taken my fish? Mommy, yeah has taken my fish.
Auntie Diane. Family ha. I found them Auntie Diane. Hana be their poor body. Hana be their poor body. Some. What am I now? One free man so go be hu. I na tiko. Hasa ne se. Some fun akwa. Nana dia dani na wate.
Go! We don't need you here. Go!
You disappointed all of us.
Go!
Kofi, go!
But why? How did I disappoint you?
I show you a family property that has been with us ever since. But you carelessly show it to a friend who in turn killed you and had access to it. Now, my only grandchild is suffering. Konto, I am your grandfather. Go for the gold. Go for the gold. Go for the gold. It is rightly yours. Go for the gold. Go for the gold. Go for the gold. Go for the gold.
Uncle, look at the bed.
Hey, can you hit it?
Yes.
All right, then hit it. Come on, go, boy. Take it to your time. All right, stretch it. Hey, go. You nearly hit it. Konto, do you know that I'm just like your father
in every way. You see, sometimes I see the treatment my wife take you through, but you don't complain. Don't worry. I have good plans for you, okay?
Thank you, Uncle.
Don't worry.
Uncle,
yes.
You know about my father very well.
Your father and I were like brothers. There's nothing about your father that I don't know. Hmm?
Then, what about the gold my father might have lost?
What gold? How did you know about the gold? I mean, what gold are you talking about?
Uncle, are you alright?
Hey, I'm alright. I'm fine. But tell me, what gold did you say your father left? I mean, how did you know? I mean, what? Huh?
Well, I had this strange dream last night. A man who claims to be my grandfather was driving my father away from the house for losing the gold, and he asked me to go for it.
He asked you to go for the gold?
Yes.
You see, just dismiss it. It is nothing. You see, sometimes when you eat too much, you have such dreams. Huh? Hurry up, let's go. This is the second time he has come to me with this same dream. He is now a threat to us. We have to do something about him.
Kunti, there is no need to waste any more time. We have to kill him fast.
Oh, I have already thought about it. You leave everything to me.
Konta!
Yes, Mommy.
Come and have your lunch.
Thank you, Mommy.
Try to eat all the food. I'll give you an egg, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Yerong, dinin na. told you that boy possesses some demons. He doesn't have a good spirit. He must be eliminated at all costs.
Everything that we do doesn't work. I tried the poison on the goat and it did not last for 30 minutes. So the potency of the poison cannot be doubted.
It is because of his witchcraft. That is why it couldn't work on him. Look, Konto should not live with us. He should leave at once.
Be patient. That boy must be near us so that we can monitor him. Listen, I have another plan.
What is it?
Nana, I crave your indulgence to speak and make complaint. It's about the missing gold.
Pamenti. Asema wo kan. Oti ase. E woni no me a. E be fi asema wo kan na chi aba.
Nana, I perfectly understand.
Also, no me idea dia kasamientie.
Yo. Nana, my wife was cleaning our adopted son's room and she came across 2 pieces of gold. By then, the news had gotten to us that somebody had destroyed the Okomfo shrine and had stolen the gold in it. So we decided to bring him here for the truth to be revealed.
Isua. Asema wo kun kan. No kre.
Nana, it's the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Ska ko na wahi.
Come here, big pan. Let me see.
Okomfo. Ana. This is ka ko na ye ka ho asem na ni a.
Nana, we are the missing gold.
Banana bra. When I'm saying?
Nana, please, I'm 10 years old.
No cresse. Aqua was on them ho. I could book Dino Afesca ho.
Nana, please, no. Nana, how will a 10-year-old boy do with gold?
Then Scow corner. A bit pure them.
Nana, that is what I cannot tell.
Yeah. Kromuha, ya wa mrawa ha. Na mra no se bibi yira. Na yenya nipa mienu a wo mani afi e be di ho adanse a. E che se no kre. Ti kunto asem a wo ka no, menye ntum. Nbua kunto kunfo.
Nampacho.
Kawano tu. Atiame.
Nana.
Abrafo no mam.
Hey! God! Nana! Instead of Kunto, please take me. Nana, move for me, Papa.
Traso!
Everybody! Mr. Everybody!
Traso, who's here?
Hey! Nana! Oh, Kunto! Please! Nana, please! Nana, please leave me.
Traso!
Nana, Mr. Move for me, Mr.
Don't touch the boy. He is innocent. Kwaminti and Kisua. The God said you should confess your sins. Or you will taste the anger of the gods.
Nana, I killed Kofi Asiedu and his wife to have access to their gold. Konto has started asking me questions about the gold. I therefore decided to eliminate him too, to have my peace. Nana, I stole the pieces of gold and I nailed Kunto to it.
Nana, all that my husband is saying is the truth. Please forgive us. The rest of the gold is with my mother at any break room.
Kwamiti. Won't worry. What for papa and the breath one is one. And I heard the ayo. What papa? Na one son. One and a woman my sin. One ma a drew and your friend go promaya. Midden son a granny. O papa ne kume papa. And now upon a job for dinner. Sana kaudri ya control. Kwamiti. Kwa katro papa se me ko promaya. Mesime danase. Ubawu me katro so ubawu.
Oh, Konto. They say, what found when? Skako corner. Kwame Tinam Kwan Bonesu. The Kumwa for year, the amount. I feel and Sassy, and near Japadia Kahuna, and also the Kahuma. Ata, better swamma. Optimus will be near one casa, which me after 1 year. Ata, Faculto.
That's
Yeah. To say a kumfwa. Naka wasi ya dema kuntono. To say ya dema kwa minti ene ne yere. Abrafo mofa wa moko.
Please
forgive me.